imagine ସବୁ କିଛି level playing field ହେଇଯିବ।
Okay, so now we are going to celebrate Sidhant Mahapatra's birthday. So sorry is already here. ଆମ ମୁନ୍ନା ଭାଇ ଆମ ସହିତ ଅଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କ birthday ଧୁମଧାମରେ ମନେଇବା। I request ଯିଏ ବି ଏଠି ଅଛନ୍ତି please let's sing a song for him, happy birthday song together, everyone. And my entire team, I want everybody to please gather around him and we will celebrate it like we celebrate somebody's birthday at home. So it's like we are at home. So some team members, I request all our team members, JB ethi amar Rajwanti, Gayatri Devi group re, I request everybody to come forward and join us.
This is a matter that will require not just a few years, but it could take a couple of generations. So until we are able to bring the inequalities up to a certain level,
so I guess we all are
should not
here.
be talking about entitlement. I don't think women are entitled. I think we need to restore the balance. I'm a Durga Puja bale man ko pratima pratishtha kariki man ko agare mundiya maru. But on all other points we are grossly unfair to women even today. So we need to, as a government, as a society, as families, we need to rectify this and bring women to the position of equality first. Out of the last panel, we talked in organized workforce, women's participation has come down to below 20%. It out of the organized workforce women
Okay, so now all our family members are here, so let's celebrate our very own star, shining star, Sidhant Mahapatra's birthday together.
So, why is it like that? It is like that because first and foremost, women are not safe. कितने जन झियो मंचस्वर रे गोटे शेड रे गोटे यूनिट बसे के राति 11टा बेले एका एका ऑटो रे घर फेरी परिबे. These are fundamental issues. Women cannot travel because toilets don't exist.
And power
So
and
unless
success
physical
and
comfort,
happiness.
physical safety can
Thank
be
you so
guaranteed, and society has a long way to go to ensure that these basic requirements are fulfilled. So until then, I will say it is not about entitlement. I think it's a historic opportunity to fix inequality.
Yes, sir, that's great.
You're chasing your Instagram followership. Spend more time looking at the TEDx talks. TEDx is such a powerful source of information. Coursera is such a powerful source of information. If you look at CE Insights for entrepreneurs, it's such a powerful source of information. Your story is such a powerful source of information. So I guess that will be my take to you.
Thank you, sir. I think that's another eye-opener for us. So the next question would be,